Okay, so guys, so if you just watched that video that I just made, also this is actually the end because I didn't actually know how to actually start the video again to film some other stuff in it. So that's all the time that we have for today's video that I just did for the other one. So that's all the time that we had. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to see more videos that I make.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Bye.